Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Under Armour Velociti Elite 2. A shoe designed for speed and performance in the world of running. The Velociti Elite 2 is Under Armour's latest iteration in their lineup of racing shoes, aimed at delivering a fast and responsive running experience. Let's start with the design and fit. The shoe features a streamlined Warp 2.0 upper that not only looks sleek, but also provides a snug and breathable fit, essential for high-speed runs. Moving on to the midsole. It utilizes a dual-density setup combining Pebax foam for responsiveness with Under Armour's Flow foam for stability. This configuration, along with a full-length carbon plate, aims to enhance propulsion and efficiency. Now, onto the most critical aspect, running performance. The Velociti Elite 2 offers a firmer ride compared to its competitors, which some runners may appreciate for its direct and stable feel, particularly during interval sessions. So, should you consider buying the Under Armour Velociti Elite 2? Well, if you prefer a shoe with a firmer feel and lower drop for your runs, especially intervals, it could be a solid choice. However, for those seeking the utmost in lightweight and propulsive performance, there are lighter and springier options out there. In conclusion, the Under Armour Velociti Elite 2 is a step forward for Under Armour in the racing shoe category, offering a blend of speed, stability, and comfort. While it may not top the charts against its stiff competition in terms of weight and propulsion, it certainly holds its ground as a reliable option for serious runners. That wraps up our review of the Under Armour Velociti Elite 2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews on the latest products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.